Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open Windows PowerShell as administrator on Windows 11. For this, I will provide you 5 methods and you can use either according to your convenience. First method includes a start menu. For that, click on this one, a start menu, and then type PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one, Windows PowerShell entry, select Run as Administrator. In case Windows prompts, click Yes. This will open Windows PowerShell as Administrator. Next one method is through a search menu. For that, click on this one, search bar, then type PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one, Windows PowerShell entry, and then select Run as Administrator. Click Yes in case Windows prompts. This will also open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Next one method is through Run dialog box. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. This will open Run dialog box. Here type PowerShell. Then on your keyboard, press Ctrl Shift Delete at once. Once done, Windows will prompt with User account control. Select Yes to open Windows PowerShell as an administrator on your Windows 11 PC. Next one method is through PowerShell itself. For that, click on the Start button, type PowerShell, and click on this one, PowerShell entry. In it will open Windows terminal with normal privilege. In case it opens with command prompt, just click on this one, drop down menu, select here Windows PowerShell. This will open PowerShell. In PowerShell window, you need to copy and paste this one command that you can find in this video description, and then press enter on the keyboard. Windows will prompt, then click Yes. It will open a separate window with admin privilege. Next one method is through Windows terminal. For that, right click on this one, a start button, select here terminal admin. In case Windows prompts, click Yes. Here you should see a Windows PowerShell profile. In case it opens with command prompt, click this one, down arrow button, and select Windows PowerShell. This will open with admin privilege on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.